Where are we?
We're at my parents' cabin in Shoal Lake, Manitoba.
Why did he build a cabin here?
Because my dad grew up 20 minutes away in the next town. And when my grandma died, there was no reason for him to come back. So they bought an old cabin, and last year they knocked it down and built this cabin.
Looking good, eh?
It looks good. Brand new. Oh, the old cabin was bright orange. That's why they painted it orange. So this is the cabin. Kitchen. Kitchen, table. We don't have a couch yet. Couch hasn't come. Living room. Coffee bar. Who's here, Gia? Who's here?
What are you doing, Gia? Baby Gia.
Gia, we're watching Baby Gia.
Watching your own show?
So we get more YouTube watchers. What are you eating now? Yeah, what room is this? This is the screen room. Why did you build the screen room?
So we could eat our meals in here and open up the windows and no bugs can get in.
So this is not a glass window, right? So it's plastic.
They all open. Yeah, that's where it is. Keep going? Yeah.
Or down. All the way down.
And then Dad works here.
Non-stop working. No holiday for that.
Let's go see the bathroom. Laundry. Main floor bathroom. Then my parents' bedroom.
It's a nice deck, eh?
It's a nice way to wake up in the morning. Should we go upstairs?
Sure.
We have big closet. Our bathroom. And this is my brother's room. Say hi, Mark.
Oh. Hi. How's it going, everyone?
Great.
You have a nice view, don't you, Mark?
Yep.
Alright, now let's go see our... Oh, it's windy. It's windy, windy. Bye, Mark.
Bye.
And this is our bedroom. She has her own crib. And our bed.
It looks like a house, not a cabin, eh?
I guess, yeah.
Gia, you watching Baby Gia again? 베이비 지아 재밌나요? 재밌나?
You can stop it. Do you know how to stop it? It's here. Push. Stop. Try again. Push. Yeah. And look at Appa.
안녕 해야지. You leaving without me?
Look at your rope. Woohoo! Lift up.
지아 좋아요? 카야킹 좋아요? 좋아요 해야지. Shall I come?
Yeah. Yeah. Come. You have to help Mom. Get your kayak.
Hi 지아. 아빠 빠빠이.
What's Appa? Yeah, there's a fish there, Jill.
지아 아빠 지아한테 갈까? 기다리세요. It's hard to do with one hand. I need the body cam. 지아 재밌나요?
Yeah, what are we doing? We're in a boat. We're in a kayak. Bye, Gia. Let's go. Appa, go. You're in it.
Waving, wink, wink. Kiss, I'm gonna say kiss, kiss. Wow.